Do you want to memorize long or big answers in short time, especially in your exams? Then here are 5 secret tips to learn and memorize anything faster. Step 1. Read answers twice. This trick works well with long answers as well as short answers. So, first read the question and understand what it means and what the question is asking. Once done, again skim through the answer with a pencil or highlighter and underline any new words. Write down its meaning and highlight any important lines or keywords. Doing this will give you a clarity of what you have to study. Step 2. Learn in bite-sized chunks. Next step is break the answers into small parts or paragraphs and number them like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now go through the first part and learn it out loudly, then second, third, and so on. Reading answers loudly will help you to remember information quickly. Step 3. Use mind's eye. Don't read your answers over and over again. Also, try to use mind's eye. When you look at the answer, try to imagine pictures and visuals about what you're learning in your mind. This will make it easier to memorize and recall information. Step 4. Learn with pen and paper. After understanding the answer, write it down in a paper twice. This trick not only helps you in memorizing answers for the exam, but will boost your long-term memory. Step 5. Test yourself. Once you have studied, speak up the whole answer and check whether you have learned it or not, or else take a self-test. Pause your book. Now write down the answer you have learned without taking a look at the book or paper. Once done, compare the answer and search for the mistakes and learn from it. This is a great tip to remember information super fast. That's it all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, comment me down your valuable suggestions, subscribe for more such videos. See you soon.